Hi, happy Grateful Day. I am here to say thank you to you for being here and mention some of the things I am grateful for in my life. I am grateful for being healthy. I am grateful for the people in my life. I am grateful for the nature. I am grateful for my mind, the way it thinks. I am grateful for the challenges in my life. I am grateful for today. Here, my channel is one of my happy places I come and draw. As you may know by now, I like sky. I like looking at the sky, and I learn so much from it. So I'd like to share some of my learnings with you. No matter what stage you are in your life, be bold like the house in middle and keep looking for growth. If you're happy with where you are, find out how you can share it with others. And if you're not happy with where you are, sit down and write what you need to do. No matter what kind of day you have, good or bad, make it yours. Today, this time, this minute, this second will not be repeated for you. If you can't find any help, guidance, anything or anyone to help you in life, start with yourself. Start again and again with little as possible. And remember, small, even tiny steps you take for yourself in life do matter. And in the end, I learned from Sky that life itself is immeasurable. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.